Hello everyone, we are from RB College of Engineering and we are competing in IICDC 2019 and this is our first business presentation for semifinals and our topic is fall detection with sensor fusion which is purely dedicated for elderly people. What motivated us to take this topic was an incident that happened with one of our teammates. That is, his grandfather recently came to Bangalore to attend an religious gathering, but he accidentally fell down on some street and forgot the reason for his presence in Bangalore. And it became very difficult for his parents to find his grandfather. If his grandfather was found just after he fell unconscious, the extent of injuries experienced by him would have been reduced. This can happen with anyone. And also, these days, we see in news articles that fall feature in new Apple Watch saved many, and we want to replicate the same for people of our country by making an affordable device for the same. We are targeting price of our product to be around 3000 rupees so that it can be affordable by an average Indian customer. Our strategy in the product pricing is that we want to sell it for 2 times the cost of goods in order to stay in business. And by cost of goods, we mean that the bill of materials, PCBs, assembly, packaging, logistics, replacements, taxes, and other cost overruns. Another reason for pricing the product strategically is that to tap into healthcare marketplace. The plan of action for converting our idea into a venture is primarily to design an efficient algorithm for fall detection and to make a waterproof belt or a patch that could be worn on the waist which senses the fall and also it is economical. The two ways or reasons for you to be in business with our product is that primarily we can sell the algorithm to a company which is in the health tech space. Secondarily, we can manufacture our own fitness tracker which uses the census data for gait posture analysis. And this involves high manufacturing costs. We can also provide personalized tips to our users to improve their health using the data obtained from the end user's device.
We consider Apple and Philips to be our direct competitors in this space. Why Apple? Because they were recently in the news for their Apple Watch. It's a wonderful product. It did save lives of people, but the problem is it only works with an iPhone, and both the iPhone along with the Apple Watch are just not affordable by the average Indian customer. And our primary goal in this competition is to ensure that safety and healthcare technology doesn't become a luxury item. Our other competitor is Philips. Their offering is called Auto Alert. It's much different from that of Apple. It consists of two devices, a pendant which is worn on the neck. It consists of all the sensors, the other being a bulky device which is meant for relaying the request information to the hospitals for further processing. We are making a pull product which is meant to solve a problem which is widely neglected in our society. What sets us apart from our competition is that our device is not worn around the wrist or on the neck, rather, it is worn on the waist, and this is to get accurate measurements and to reduce the chances of false alarms. Cost will also be a major difference as we are strategically pricing our product so as to meet the demands of the mass Indian market. Our product will be able to pair with any smartphone, not just an iPhone. That is, it is platform independent. We are making a product for our customers which is not just affordable but also provides accurate results. And the product can also be used for gait analysis. That is, we can find the gait speed. And today, gait speed is seen as a potential vital sign. That is, we can provide personalized observations to our customers based on the data collected. Also, our product will make elders feel much more secure while they are away from home. It also gives their children some form of confidence while they are away from their parents. We want to be at the forefront of Jaran technology. It's a new term which believes in providing opportunities for the older people, and we believe that our product is a small step in that direction. Elders are our primary customers, but the same technology can be used in other areas such as saving people after drowning and also finding people who are trapped in snow after avalanches.
External dependencies. Finding manufacturer for the production of our product is not an easy task. Advertisement will be a source for us for creating awareness about the product. Till we have our own proper supply chain management, either online or offline dealers, sellers, and shippers help will be used. Regular approval is needed since it is a health related product. Protection and monetization. As we are inventing a product based on the solution for a problem, so patent can be filed to get the exclusive rights over the product. For monetization, it can be done in two ways. The product will be sold to customer and manufactured by us only, or we can sell our algorithm to well-established and stable company in fitness and healthcare space. Innovativeness of the product or idea. The problem for which we found this solution isn't unique. What set us apart is in creating the affordable product and supplying to the customer. Innovation is also in the way how we sell it. Firstly, with limited number of units, it is sold to a few people, especially the elderly one, and based on the feedback received, we'll make changes to our offering. Potential customers. Our primary customers will be elderly people, and later it will be used to help people from drowning and detecting people who are trapped in avalanches. The design of our product will be very simple with only two buttons for user interaction, thus making it ideal for elderly people.
When it comes to adaptability of in our team, every idea which is put forward by each teammate is heavily counter-questioned by the rest of the team to find the potential loopholes, thus creating the right balance. Earlier in the quarterfinals round, we decided to go for a wristwatch, but after getting into a brainstorming session, we decided to put the device on the waist for accurate detection. Distribution strategy. We are looking at e-commerce as the primary distribution channel. The advantage of using e-commerce firm is that supply chain management becomes a lot easier. Thus, we can focus on the core issues of the product. Also, several e-commerce firms provide you with various analytics which will help in taking right decisions in taking the product forward. Although we have spoken to people who are in need of what we offer, we will first sell it on invite-only basis to understand the demand. E-commerce is accessible by all. This accessibility is the value which the distributor offers us. We will be able to get a wider customer base through online shopping than traditional brick-and-mortar stores, and also it will be easier for shipping, ordering, and returning products online. We receive a lot of data-driven insights about our product through e-commerce. We want to go with 20% of selling price as distribution commission initially. Customer validation. Our minimum viable product is meant to test fall detection in real time. Only when it is ready, we shall go with the user experience analysis, and based on the feedback received, we shall validate our product accordingly. Both of the above shall be shown during the second interim submission.